Hey y'all, welcome back to Lightworks Intuitive Healing. I am your intuitive reader and healer, here today to illuminate what the Most High and your spirit guides want you to know at this time. Please keep in mind that this will be a general message and it may not apply to everyone. However, if you were drawn in by the title, there should be something here that resonates with you, okay? I hope that you guys are having a blessed and positive day. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. For all my returning viewers, thank you so much for your continuous support. Like, share, subscribes, and donations. I really appreciate all of you. Again, if you want to me to be able to tap into your energy, you can like or comment or subscribe to the channel, and it will allow me to connect easily with your energy. So what I'm getting right now is what you don't see, okay? There's something that you're not seeing that your spirit guides want to illuminate today. So we're going to pull a few cards and get the messages, okay? Let's take a few deep breaths. Holy Spirit, holy angels, thank you so much for the messages that you will be sending out today. Please allow me to channel the current energies for the collective to reveal what we don't see at this time. Let there be none of me and all of you. Please allow Archangel Michael to be present to protect our energy and close the door on anything that is not of the highest white light. Please and thank you. All right. What the collective does not see. Ooh, okay. We got temptation. This is like the devil card. And obstacles, okay? 5 and 6, okay. Someone here, you don't see yourself coming out of your current situation is what I'm hearing. Yeah. I'm seeing a lot of chakras here. Holy Spirit, what don't they see? What don't they see, Holy Spirit? Whoa. All of it, Holy Spirit? Whoa, all of it. Okay. We have passion in the reverse, sacral chakra, deception and envy, emotional withdrawal, solitude, sacrifice, triumph, wisdom, the waiting game, harmony in the reverse, obstacles and challenges, and intuition. Right away, your spirit guides are screaming right now. Okay? There is a significant situation that you have dealt with recently or in the recent past, within the last year or 2 years with this 2, that has you in a very, what is the word? Place. You've blocked yourself. You've blocked your intuition. You're unable to see. You're unable to feel. There's a lot of disharmony, emotional withdrawal, some type of deceptive energy, something to do with the sacral chakra. Sacral chakra is all about passion, and we have passion in the reverse, okay? So I feel like this could be regarding an intimate situation that you were in. But what you don't see here is that you're cutting off your own intuition. You're cutting off your own ability to learn, to gain wisdom, to be triumphant, okay? You're waiting for this deception and envy and emotional loss energy to leave, this disharmony to leave you, okay? The obstacles and challenges, you're waiting for all of this to be over. I feel like you're in hermit mode right now. However, you're not receiving the intuitive hits. I feel like you're just isolated, okay? And this is not a healthy isolation for someone here. This is specific. You feel as though you sacrificed a lot in this situation. Let's clarify with some tarot. Yeah, split the deck on 3 of Swords. So this is definitely a situation about a relationship. It could be family, could be friends, could be a loved one, a lover. Yeah, 9 of Swords. Depressed, emotionally withdrawn, just feeling pain, feeling victimized. I'm feeling, that's the word that I'm hearing. Yeah, 5 of Wands. This is the deceptive energy. Holy Spirit, what more can you tell us? Okay, it could be someone walked away or you walked away from a situation. A toxic situation, I'm hearing. Okay, yeah, 5 of Pentacles. There's nothing positive about this situation you were in. I'm getting all cards of heartbreak and turmoil. Okay, this situation has your chakras blocked. Okay, you're being called to spend time in nature, meditating. Yeah, the waiting game. Waiting. What for, Holy Spirit? Waiting for the truth. Okay. Thank you, Holy Spirit. Waiting for the truth. Okay. Waiting for answers, I'm hearing. Holy Spirit, what should we be aware of? Okay. I'm hearing you are the 10 of Pentacles. I just heard that loud and clear. Okay. Your spirit guides are saying you're looking for the answers outside of you when you should be looking inside of you. Okay. You've lost your passion. The Queen of Wands is coming out, but passion ignited is in the reverse. Okay. You've lost your passion. You've disconnected from your intuition. What's on the bottom? Yeah. This is being represented by your higher self here. Thank you, Holy Spirit. Okay. You're holding yourself back from yourself is what I just heard. Okay. Eight of Cups. You walked away from yourself. Wow. Okay. It's like you put yourself in isolation and left yourself there. Okay. It's like you are walking around soulless. Okay. You're here but not here. Disconnected. Holy Spirit, what else? So what you don't see is that you are the 10 of Cups. You are the Queen of Wands. You are the 6 of Wands. You are the triumph, the victory, the wisdom, okay? You are all of these things. They're wanting you to invest in yourself. Wow. Ace of Swords. Okay. What else, Holy Spirit? Wow, that's too many. You're stuck. Okay. No. Five of Cups. Yeah, you got to come out of this energy. You're still waiting for the answers. There are still things that are hidden and you're waiting, okay? But while you're waiting, you're not taking care of you. You're not paying attention to you. You're not feeding into yourself. You're not pouring love into yourself. You don't even see yourself, okay? It's like you've left yourself locked away. Your physical body is floating around the world, but internally, again, Nine of Swords. You're here. Okay? You want justice for whatever this situation was, this heartbreak, okay? The Most High is wanting to bring you a new opportunity, but there are some sacrifices with sacrifice that you're going to have to make. You're going to have to put some work in. You're going to have to co-create with the Most High, okay? You're going to have to put some investments in, some time in on yourself, okay? So that you can get your justice. The Most High is saying there will be a new beginning for you. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. Go within. Connect with your higher self. Connect with the Most High. Connect with your spirit guides, okay? This is all about going within. See the Empress in you. What you don't see is you. You don't see you. This is really interesting. Yeah, High Priestess. Okay. They're wanting to get these intuitive hits and nudges back to you, okay, to get you back in this place of stability. Intuition came out here as well. You're not able to get to that. Your chakras need to be cleared and aligned, okay? This is all that you see. Heartbreak. Got to come out of this energy. It's almost like you said, I'm not going to live until I get my judgment or justice, okay? And the Most High is saying you can't get your judgment or justice until you show up for yourself. Invest in yourself. Love yourself. Okay? Right now you are doing to yourself what this other person did to you. Okay? You are doing to yourself what this other person did to you. You're breaking your own heart right now by sitting in this energy. Okay? Your angels are here with you. They want you to call on them, okay? They want to come in and help you, okay? They want to offer their love to you, okay? The Most High wants to give you this new beginning. You cannot hold back. Your resistance is a problem, okay? The confusion, the imbalance that you're in right now. You have to come out of this. Most High is wanting you to put an end to this Nine of Swords, okay? I'll get you a guardian angel message. positive change. Dare to be different. When you are criticized, remember that you'll never please everyone. Many brilliant and gifted individuals were not fully appreciated or understood in their own lifetime, yet it is often they who have sown the seeds of change. Okay? Invest in yourself. This is the seeds, plant the seeds. I'm seeing the 7 of Pentacles again. Invest the time. Plant positive seeds into yourself. Spend time with affirmations. I want to give you another card. Holy Spirit, what is the card? Which one? Prayer. Dear guardian angel, help me to dissolve past guilt or regret. Okay, we saw the 5 of Cups. Help me to see that all is always in perfect and divine order. Help me to let go of fear, for that I project on my future. Help me to live fully within each precious moment and feel your eternal love within and around me. Help me to realize and fulfill my true potential. Thank you. Okay? So this is all about self-love, loving on yourself, showing up for yourself, okay? Getting yourself out of that place. Surrounding yourself with positive people that show you love. Okay? Take care of yourself. I feel as though you took good care of this person and they took your kindness for weakness, okay? Don't do the same thing that that person did to you to yourself. Show yourself the kind of love that you showed that person. Okay? Show up for yourself the way you showed up for that person. Okay? I love you so much. You are in my thoughts and prayers. Know that this situation will get better. You have to take the first step and work with the Most High and work with your angels. Okay? Things are going to come together. But you have some sacrifices that you have to make for yourself. Okay? All will work out in divine timing. Nothing that happens in this life is without the knowledge of the Most High, okay? God allows everything to happen for a reason, okay? God wanted you to show up for yourself. Show yourself the love that you show others. Stop putting others before you and before God, okay? I love you. I hope that this message helps you. Until next time, peace and blessings. Most High God, we love you and thank you for these messages. We return this energy to the divine to be transmuted into love, light, and positivity. Please and thank you. Ashe. Peace and blessings.